Everyone has been talking about Agile, and Agile should deliver continuous value for the customers. And when you're talking about Lean as well, the definition of waste by Lean is everything that doesn't add value to the customer is a waste. So how do you create value for a customer and how you identify waste? The answer to that is empathy and need finding. That's why we focus here on service design. Service design is about to define for a customer what is value to them and how we can deliver more value for everyone.
I think companies should invest in this type of training because today we talk about business to business, but as I heard today, actually it's human to human, and we have lost this completely out of sight.
Main takeaways is that these are different sets of concepts that all fit very well together. So we have now the overview and also know in what steps to take what type of tool or instrument and get the overview back to your organization and really get kick-starting your transformation.
Oh, Gustav is an amazing guy. Anybody who comes in touch with him will not be the same person once again. He's full of energy, full of ideas, full of references, very practical examples. He'll give you a lot of tips in terms of how you can do things for better. That I can assure you on that. And remember to see Gustavo's style in the way in which he conducts his training.
I really like it, I really learned a lot. Also the value proposition I think is really important for us. And the Lego, visualizing what you're thinking about and what's the problem, what could be a solution is really good. I don't think I'm going to use the Lego, I'm going to try and find another solution maybe, but visualizing the problem is going to help us a lot.
The feeling today was great. Gustavo did a great job, brought us a lot of energy and shared us a lot of knowledge about empathy and experience matter.
And it's been amazing to bring this everywhere in the world because I have people here from India, I have people here from Luxembourg, I have people from Netherlands, I have people from Brazil, and everywhere in the world, doesn't matter where you are, everything's about people and connecting with people. So this is what this workshop is all about, to connect with your customer and deliver more value to them.